North Carolina Realtors, what are some things to keep in mind when your buyer is looking to purchase a large lot with a home on it, of course? Here are some things to keep in mind as you represent your borrower through that process. Little things that could maybe not necessarily derail the mortgage, but could significantly slow things down or create problems. Let's take a quick look. And before we get started, my name is Steve Doherty. I'm a loan officer in Raleigh, North Carolina. I will leave my contact information in a comment and in the video description if any of you would like to talk to me to walk you through any mortgage problems. Okay, so first of all, jumbo loans. And in North Carolina, South Carolina, and any area outside of Northern Virginia, any loan amount that is larger than $806,500 in the year 2025 is going to be considered a jumbo loan. Now, a jumbo loan isn't necessarily a specific thing in and of itself. It's just kind of an industry term that we use to describe any mortgage that is above the conforming loan limit. Jumbo loans, again, there is no central authority regulating jumbo loans in terms of what the underwriting criteria are. Long story short, on jumbo loans, things can vary a lot investor to investor. So just because one investor permits something does not mean a different jumbo investor will. Some jumbo loan investors will require a different set of rules to apply for any lot that is more than 10 acres, right? 10 acres is not a huge piece of land. Some will say you can't do it at all. If a lot is over 10 acres, we won't loan on it. Others will just require extra rules to kick in if the lot size is above 10 acres. Another problem, or another thing that may pose a problem on large lot purchases, if there's any commercial agricultural activity. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean it is a deal killer, but it can screw things up. If your borrower is purchasing a primary residence and there is commercial agricultural activity on it, just be aware, especially if they are going to be utilizing a jumbo loan. Another thing to be careful of dealing with large lots are the comps. Can you comp out a property, let's say two similar homes, one's on 0.37 acres here in Cary, and another home of similar size is on 30 acres in Chatham County. It may be difficult for the appraiser to properly comp those out. Finally, another thing to look out for is multiple parcels on this larger lot that is part of one transaction. When there are multiple parcels, this isn't necessarily going to kill a deal, but it could slow things down.